I'm Jeff Alexander, and I'm Chief Executive of Gatwick Diamond Business. We're a business membership organisation.
And how did you find out about Cloud9?
Well, we found out about Cloud9 from one of our members, a member we work closely with, and they recommended we should at least have a chat with you because we were struggling at the time with our CRM system. We are a business membership organisation. We cover all sectors, really.
How did you manage the change process?
Well, from my point of view as Chief Executive, I don't think I could cope with all the complaints I was getting from the team anymore. We started with a blank sheet. I've explained that we had unfortunate previous experience with CRM, and we were really looking for a company that was going to guide us through the whole process. From the very start of explaining or working with us to develop our needs, right through to the ongoing support after implementation. So that's what we were after really from Cloud9, and that's really what we got. We wanted intensive hand-holding, to be honest with you.
How has Dynamics benefited your business?
It's made a huge difference. It's freed up time, particularly the sort of frontline staff who are dealing with members and prospective members on a daily and hourly basis. It's just made them so much more efficient. We get things right first time because we're contacting the right people. We're not sending out blanket emails when we can contact particular groups. And the main way, in some ways, it's served the business, or I'm aware that it has served the business, is I barely hear it being mentioned. Whereas with our old CRM system, I was hearing some complaint or other on an hourly basis. CRM for us now with Dynamics, it's just there and it does its job, and almost without us noticing it in some ways.
What advice would you give similar businesses looking to make the change and start their journey?
Well, the first bit of advice I'd give is don't go down the route we went down. We went down a blind alley. Because we'd not got on very well with our previous systems, we thought that the only answer for us was a bespoke system. And we spent quite a bit of money exploring that option. But fortunately, we were pointed to Cloud9 and to Dynamics. And what we feel we've got now is a bespoke system, but without all the fuss and complexity, and without the cost as well.
And is there anything else you would like to add to this, Jeff?
Well, what I'd like to say about Cloud9 is they don't overpromise. What they say you'll get is what you get, right from the initial process, the initial tracks, through the design stage, through the implementation stage, and on to the ongoing support. At every stage, they deliver exactly what they say they are going to deliver. So we as the client are very clear on what we can expect, and that is exactly what we get. And also, and this is very important, I think, we found the Cloud9 team very, very approachable on a personal level. They're fun to work with, and that makes a big difference in any business environment.